Hello, in this lesson we will create our first campaign using AllSubmitter, a project manager, and then we will use the automatic submission to submit our website to backlink directories. I won't use this ones, so if you're interested you can buy this program. There's a help section here with the video tutorials there, so you can go there and watch advanced videos for this program, but usually I'm not using these features. Alright, so let's go to the easiest way. Let's create a project manager. Here's the interface of the project manager, and we will need to click create new project, and we will need to create a project for our submission. As you can see here, we have 5 fields and we will fill in information there. Right, first of all I will leave this as no category, and then let's say we would like to submit this website. Alright, so let's give it a name. The client, let's type Sky. Basically we will need to click on this little button to add the client. Let's add Sky. I won't fill this information, we won't need it, so just Sky here. Alright, the other option is to type the URL for the link of the banner image and the width and the height of the image, but I'm not using this option as well. Here's the description field. We'll need to type the URL. Also we have an option to spin this URL. In the variants you can import text file with different URLs, maybe inner backlinks of this website, but I will leave it as it is. In the name field we will need to type the title of our website, and we've already done this. Maybe let's say, okay, usually I have a folder for each program. In this case it is AllSubmitter bases. These are the bases I have for submission, for directory submission, and these are some useful files for this program. As you can remember, in SEO X we had one useful secret weapon. It was one txt file, and in Article Marketing Robot we again had one, but here, because this program is very complicated, we have 7 or 8 files which will help us. Right, so let's spin this. Let's spin this title. We can import some txt file. For example, let's create one. Let's put some titles there. Right, it was about painting and decorating. Actually, I have some titles prepared here. Let's find some. Here they are, all keywords. For this website I have around 500 keywords for every area in London. Alright, here's our document, and it is on the desktop, so we will need to select this one as an import txt file. Okay, here it is, and as you can see we have now a lot of 508 keywords. Alright, so after that you can close the program, and here we have 508 different titles, because we have a lot, because I have a lot of catalogs here. I would prefer to have as much different titles as I can. In the description field, we again can type some stuff here, but in this case, to save some time, I can type some description manually. The best painting rating company covering London. Alright, it's fine. The other option is to click on selection and spin this in this format, for example. Okay, let's go back. So the first option is to type it manually. In this case, we will have one description. The other option is to click on variants and click on selection and spin some description. Okay, so here I have another website I used to make directory submission, so I will replace it with this one. Or I can leave it as LTD. Sky Painting Decorating provides good quality services, and here instead of these keywords I will use the keywords I've already prepared for the submission. Here they are, and you must notice that here instead of curly brackets we have this type of brackets. Instead of this one we have this one. So Russians are using this type of brackets to spin their text. Alright, so we'll need to replace these brackets. These are all of my keywords. I will replace them with this one. Okay, and the other one, I will replace it with this one. Okay, now it's ready. Let's copy and paste this information in the description field. And as you can see, we have a lot of information here. The next thing we should do is to click on generate. I think it was generate, and it will generate 1000 descriptions for the submission of this website. Alright, and here are the description here. The information: Sky Painting Decorating Ltd provides quality specialists in areas like, and all of these keywords, as you can see, are different areas, different postcodes. Then you can click on save. No, it was add. You can click on add, and now we have 1000 descriptions here. The same thing will go with the short description. You can click on variants, on selection. It's a very useful tool if you are serious about your websites and having the best results by using all of these tools such as article submitter, directory submitter. As far as you have variety of backlinks coming from different type of sites, Google will see and love your website a lot in the future, because you won't have only from one source website backlink. And in keywords, you should put the keywords the first option is by comma delimited, and the second one is by space delimited. So as you can see, you will have to play with this program a lot. That's why I'm saying it's very complicated. Now I have it with comma delimited, and now I will replace this comma with space, and here are the keywords delimited by space. Alright, site language is English, company Skype Painting and Decorating Ltd. Alright, and so far so good. We have the project information, the description. Now we'll have to fill in the contact form. Alright, that's why I have prepared the contact form. I have some first names here. You can see there are a lot of first names. So I will go, and for name I will import this information. First names. Okay, I have 300 first names. You can use gray box for extracting some keywords and names. Now I have last names. I will give you all these files, and you will be able to use them for your projects. But again, I would suggest to use this program for Russian websites, because with the English website I use it, but the success is not that big comparing with the Russian language websites. Alright, city. You can again select some, the address. Doesn't matter. Zip code, phone number, email address. It must be an email. AllSubmitter have an option to confirm the email, so you must select an email which you have an access to. I will select one of these. Right, let's select this one. Login information. The password. Alright. Your page that will be used to place links to other sites. Usually I'm not using this one, and here is the trick here. List of categories, again by comma delimited, and this one are the exact match, and the categories that you would like your site to be registered. Alright, I have a list of categories, and here are the information. We have all of the categories available, and as you can see, we go from home, regional, shopping, world, services, business, all the categories available for English sites, and from here the Russian sites are starting, because we would like our website to be submitted to English websites and of course to Russian ones. And here we can fill in the words that should not appear in the name of the category. Usually this is these words and so on. Campbell. Okay, it is fine. Additional fields, I'm not using this one. And here we have one trick, but it's for advanced users. Anyways, I will give you this link. Sometimes some directories want a link from your website, and in order to do so, you will need to create a file. You will need to create a file in your website with special PHP file inside. Right? You can test it. It will be with login and password. At the moment I have forgotten where I put this file. Let me check it. Yes, here it is. This is the link. You can search and read more about this trick. I will give it as a bonus so you can use it as well. It's a nice option. Okay, we can test this one. Now it has some type of error. Okay, maybe because I'm using proxies at the moment and they are not working. Right, I will click save. We have a project. We have a project for our campaign. I will close this program and we will go to let me try to remember. Yes, they were in. Yes, the proxies were in settings. I forgot about this, in parameters. And for proxies, you can use some proxies or not, or click on this option without using proxies. So let's go back to our project manager and let's here's our project. Let's edit it and see whether it's working now. Yes, now everything is fine. So the trick is whenever you're submitting your website in these directories and you would like to use reciprocal link, so you would like to have the option, because if you submit your link to these directories, they would like their link to be in your website. So you can use this file. You can find it in the resources, in the bonuses section, and you can submit it to your website. This is for advanced users. Use this link here or your link. The other option is to upload this file to your website, and the other is to use this link. Use this login and the password, which will be in the bonuses section, and after that the directory will crawl this website and it will see that it has a backlink to this to their website. So it's a little bit complicated, but after all, here we will need to put this backlink. After all, you will have more websites with your backlink. All right. In the next lesson, we will start with the submission process.